dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and healthy at your home and enjoying online classes. Students, as you know that in our English session, this chapter, My Childhood, is going on, which is written by APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India. Actually, this chapter is an extract from the autobiography written by APJ Abdul Kalam, and his autobiography's name is Wings of Fire. And this chapter is completely about his childhood, about his birth, about his upbringing, about his parenting, and about his friends, and in which surrounding he was living and how he got studied, and all these description has given in this. So students, in last session we read that APJ Abdul Kalam, who was a great scientist, writer, was born in 1931 in an island in Rameshwaram, and his father Jalaluddin, then who was not financially strong, even he was not much educated, but he always cared and focused on the necessities of his family members, and he provided all the things to his children which were in the needs. And mother of APJ Abdul Kalam, whose name was Ashiyama, she was a very kind and generous lady, and she fed many outsiders daily. So Abdul Kalam was much influenced by his parents as well as by his friends. Even he was a short-heighted person and born from handsome and tall parents, but he got many qualities from his parents, and he was having a good impression of his friends on him, as he was having three friends, Ramananda Shastri, Shiva Prakashan and Arvindan. Three of the friends belonged to Hindu Orthodox families, but he was having a good understanding with three of them. So students, now after this we will get more and more information about APJ Abdul Kalam in today's session, but before starting explanation, let's have a look on the hard words. Suspension means temporary cancellation. Slot means vacancy. Figure of authority means powerful people. Orthodox means traditional. Priesthood means job of a priest. And key points which we are going to cover in our today's explanation are as: first, earning by Kalam. Incidents of Abdul Kalam, as first incident was happened with him as teacher instructed him not to sit with Ramananda Shastri, and second incident was happened as anti-casteist action of science teacher. Students, now let's see these points in detail. So as Abdul Kalam, who was having three friends, as Ramananda Shastri, who was son of a Pakshi Lakshman Shastri, then who was appointed as high priest in Rameshwaram temple. Later on he got, it means Ramananda Shastri also got the same job of his father. And now Arvindan, who was also a close friend of Abdul Kalam, he attended job. He did not attend a job, even he became businessman. And now third of his friend Shiva Prakashan, then who got a job as a catering contractor. It means three of his friends settled in different professions. But at that time Abdul Kalam, then who knew, then this person who was having high dreams, then he would do something different from all other people. So first point which we are going to explain as first earning by Kalam. So in his life, then at that time actually a great demand of tamarind seeds were going on, and Abdul Kalam also started collecting tamarind seeds, and after collecting he sold them in market. So this was a first attempt or first task to earn money, and later on during Second World War, as his cousin Samsuddin, who was distributing newspapers in Rameshwaram, so Abdul Kalam helped him in distributing newspaper, and he started earning money. So this was the first main, we can say, first earning source, main earning source of Abdul Kalam was there, and he started earning money. And now let's read about the incidents of Abdul Kalam which were happened with him. The first incident which we are going to study, as teacher instructed him not to sit with Ramananda Shastri. Actually what happened, when Abdul Kalam was in 5th standard, a new teacher asked him not to sit in front row along with the high caste Brahmin boys. So Abdul found then Ramananda Shastri with whom he was sitting. Then he started crying when Abdul Kalam went on a last seat instructed by a teacher. So Ramananda Shastri, who was left on front seat, then he started crying. So this left a lasting impression on Abdul, and later on this matter was brought to the knowledge of Lakshman Shastri, then who was Ramananda Shastri's father, and then as he was a head priest of Rameshwaram temple, he told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. And later on, teacher also accepted his mistakes. But this also left a great impression on the mind of APJ Abdul Kalam. And next incident which was happened with him was anti-casteist action of science teacher. Actually once, then he was called by his science teacher whose name was Shiva Subramanya Iyer. Then he was much influenced by his science teacher, and he learned the lesson of breaking social barriers from him. Actually once, his science teacher invited him to home for a meal, but as Abdul Kalam was belonged to a Muslim family, so his teacher's wife who belonged to Orthodox Brahmin family, then she refused to serve meal. She refused to serve food to a Muslim boy. But now his teacher gave him great respect, and he served him food by himself and sat beside him to take meal. And after that he invited Abdul Kalam second time also, and at that time Abdul Kalam was shocked to see that the wife of his teacher served him food by herself. It means his teacher also changed the mindset of his wife. So these were the different incidents which were occurred in the life of Abdul Kalam, in which he faced discrimination based on the caste, and he faced partiality and discrimination based on the casteism. And these things also made a great impression on his life, and he thought to change. He thought to bring change in the mentality, in the thinking of the people, because these are the barriers, these are the problems which create a great problems and obstacles in the success of people. Many times then some deserving people are there, but because of this the kind of discrimination based on caste, color and race, then these problems push the people back and they left to get success. So here Abdul Kalam was against all these discriminations and problems, and he always tried to uproot these problems. So students, in today's session we have seen as how Abdul Kalam got his first earning and different incidents which were occurred in his life. In next session we will read something different and more interesting facts about Abdul Kalam. Till then, goodbye.